We will now discuss the solution of a problem from the section differential equations that appeared in a JEE examination. The question wants the domain of the solution of a given differential equation. This question appeared in JEE Joint Entrance Exam Main held on 22nd July 2021 in the afternoon shift. The problem is, let y is equal to yx be the solution of the differential equation x plus 2 into e power y plus 1 by x plus 2 plus y plus 1 all in bracket multiplied by dx differential of x is equal to x plus 2 into dy differential of y with a given initial condition y at 1 is equal to 1. That is, y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. If the domain of y is equal to yx, that is the domain of the solution, is an open interval alpha beta, then mod of alpha beta is equal to. We now discuss the solution. We have the given differential equation in brackets x plus 2 into e power y plus 1 by x plus 2 plus y plus 1 in bracket dx is equal to x plus 2 in bracket dy with the initial condition y at 1 is equal to 1. Now the x plus 2 is appearing and y plus 1 is appearing. Therefore, we will put x is equal to x plus 2 and capital Y, capital X is equal to x plus 2, capital Y is equal to y plus 1. Then in that case, differential of capital X is differential of x, differential of capital Y is differential of y. D capital X is equal to dx, d capital Y is equal to dy. The given differential equation becomes x plus 2 means capital X into e power y by x plus y in brackets d capital X is equal to capital X into d capital Y. From now onwards, capital X and Y means capital X and capital Y only. Now, we can write the above differential equation as x dy minus y dx is equal to x e power y by x dx. Agreed. Now we see x dy minus y dx here. Therefore, we will multiply throughout by 1 by x square. So that is x dy minus y dx by x square is equal to 1 by x square into the right hand side capital X e power y by x dx. And this x cancels and we are left with e power y by x into 1 by x dx. Now send this and we see this is the perfect differential of y by x. Y by x, and here e power y by x is there. Therefore, send this e power y by x to the other side. That becomes e to the power of minus y by x. That will imply the differential of y by x into e to the power of minus y by x. E to the power of minus y by x into the differential of y by x is equal to 1 by x dx. Integrate. When you integrate, it will be integrating e to the power of minus y by x into differential of y by x is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. And this integration is very easy. This integration is very easy, and that will be equal to minus e to the power of minus y by x is equal to log ln of mod x plus c. And this will imply in terms of x plus 2 and y plus 1 will get minus e power minus y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to ln of mod x plus 2 plus c, where c is the constant of integration whose value we will obtain by the given initial condition. So the GS, the general solution is e power minus y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to c minus, you are multiplying throughout by minus ln of x plus 2. And we have the general solution from the last slide is this one. And given y at 1, that is when x is equal to 1, y value is 1. That means substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in this above equation. What do we get? We get e power minus 2 by 3 is equal to c minus ln of 1 plus 2, ln of 3. So c value is c is equal to e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3. So the particular solution of the given differential equation will be e to the power of minus y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to constant c is e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3 minus ln of x plus 2. Note that ln of x plus 2 is not defined when x is equal to minus 2. And e to the power of minus y plus 1 by x plus 2 will be positive for all values of x, for all real values of x except minus 2. That is, for all x belongs to R minus singleton set minus 2. The domain capital D of y is equal to yx, that is this, y is equal to yx, is given by capital D is equal to the set of all those x belongs to R x not equal to minus 2, such that e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3 minus ln of mod x plus 2 greater than 0. Why? This is precisely e power. So exponential will always give greater than 0 positive values. So that is the domain. The domain D of y is equal to yx is given by D is equal to the set of all x belongs to R x not equal to minus 2 e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3 minus ln of mod x plus 2 greater than 0. Now e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3 minus ln of x plus 2 greater than 0 will imply ln of x plus 2 is less than delta, where delta is these two terms, e to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus ln 3. Delta is this. So that will be mod of x plus 2 is less than e power delta, taking the exponential to e power of on both sides. E power of ln of mod x plus 2 is less than e power of delta. E power of ln of mod x plus 2 is implies mod of x plus 2 less than e power delta, and that will imply minus e power delta minus 2 is less than x less than e power delta minus 2. So the domain D will be the set of all those x belongs to R x not equal to minus 2, such that e to the power of delta minus e to the power of delta minus 2 less than x less than e power delta minus 2. That means this is the union of two open intervals, that is the open interval minus e to the power of delta minus 2 to minus 2, because minus 2 is not included, open union open minus 2 to e to the power of delta minus 2. So the union of two open intervals. So note the domain of y is equal to yx is not an open interval as given in the question. It is a union of two open intervals. But many people, they say this is the open interval, this is the open interval alpha to beta, and mod of alpha plus beta, when they do it, it is mod of minus 4, that is 4. So 4 was the answer, and that was, everybody is telling 4 is the answer. But here the domain of y is equal to yx as it is given in the question, it is not an open interval, but whereas it is the union of two open intervals where minus 2 is not included in the domain. I suggest a modification. If alpha and beta are the extreme endpoints of the domain, extreme endpoints means this endpoint and this endpoint. So this is extreme endpoints of the a domain y is equal to yx, then mod of alpha plus beta is equal to mod of minus e power delta minus 2 plus e power delta minus 2, and e power delta cancels. Mod of minus 4 is equal to 4. That's your answer. Our answer is 4. So that is the discussion of the solution of the problem from the section differential equations, wherein we are finding the domain of the solution of the given differential equation. I hope that you have followed the solution of the problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.